Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update Python on macOS with Homebrew, beginner guide step by step clearly. Open the terminal application on your macOS. To check your current version of Python, type Python 3 version and press enter. Make sure you have Homebrew installed on your system. If you don't have Homebrew, you can install it by running the command /bin/bash $curl fsslhttps://raw.github-content.com/homebrew/install/head/install.sh. Once Homebrew is installed, it's time to update it. Type brew update and press enter. This command ensures your Homebrew package manager is up to date. Next, to upgrade Python, type brew upgrade Python and hit enter. Homebrew will now check for the latest version of Python and upgrade it if needed. To confirm the upgrade, type Python 3 version again and press enter. You should see the updated version displayed on your screen. If you also want to upgrade Python packages, use the command pip3 list outdated. This will show you all the outdated Python packages installed on your system. To upgrade all outdated packages, use the command pip3 install upgrade package _name for each package. Alternatively, you can upgrade all packages at once by using the command pip3 freeze awk, print $1, zargs n1 pip3 install. Finally, you have successfully updated Python and its packages on your macOS using Homebrew. Always ensure to run these commands periodically to keep your Python environment current. You're now ready to start coding with the latest features and improvements. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.